Now we're going to start right here where McNeil Drive, which goes south or kind of cuts through WellPoint, meets with Marsh Bend Trail, and you can see that roundabout there. So we're on that intersection, and we are just south of Monarch Grove. This is WellPoint. There's a lot more construction going on here, new housing going in, and this is one of three specific areas that they're working on for the housing. We'll fly over each one as we go. This is the one closest to Marsh Bend Trail, right on the corner where you would turn off of Marsh Bend Trail. Marsh Bend Trail goes basically north and south. It's to the east side of Coleman Federal Prison. It goes all the way down into Shadybrook and that Moultrie Creek area, leading you to Central Parkway. Now we're right over that side. We're flying east. You can see the two developments within WellPoint being put up, and we're headed toward that Southern Oaks Bridge area. McNeil Drive is to our right. That's the long road that goes east and west. McNeil Drive would take you all the way to Bexley Trail, which is the road that goes over the turnpike on Southern Oaks Bridge, and that'll take you right into St. Catherine. So here's the new construction that's starting in WellPoint right here. This is that third area that I was talking about, that I guess that third little homes that you have being constructed. And we'll fly a little closer here. You can see what's going on. There were some wood frame homes in the second group. I haven't seen the trailers for the prefab walls or the pre-built walls, but you can see a lot of the foundations are in place. I did fly over Shadybrook. Also, a lot of construction is going on down there. They're working on foundations and getting the houses up. It's been kind of thunderstormy. We're getting into July and August, and usually those times you get a little more thunderstorms. There was a house struck by lightning, caught on fire. There was actually a couple of them in the last month or two, I believe. So now we're flying west, same flight path basically. And then here's that area in the middle. We're gonna fly a little closer to it, and I'll show you what's going on here. You can see all the construction going in. They got these houses got up pretty quickly. And actually, last time when I was down in Shadybrook taking a look, quite a few of those houses are getting thrown together pretty quickly also. I did see an article where home sales were up 14% this year in the Villages, which is one of the top 2 areas, I believe. I'm not sure if that's in Florida or in the nation, but 14% year over year home sales are up, which is pretty incredible. All right, we're coming up here now on the Live Oak Pitch and Putt and the Laurel Oak Executive Course. This is just south of the Florida Turnpike. Florida Turnpike runs northwest to southeast here, and the Southern Oaks Bridge. If you keep going down McNeil Drive, this is where the Southern Oaks Bridge is. Like I've said recently, there's several golf areas in this specific vicinity, because you're going to have Oak Hollow Championship, you have Southern Oaks Championship on the north side of the turnpike right over the bridge, Laurel Oak Executive Course, Meadow View Championship Golf Course. You're going to have an executive course in Lakeside down by Central Lake, another one that they haven't named yet east of Green Grove Hill. It's kind of southeast. And then you have the Shallow Creek Championship Golf Course to the south. So tons of golf in this area. And you can see the turnpike there. You can also see Southern Oaks Bridge up in the distance. There is no on and off ramp there, but there is to the east a little bit further, southeast, whatever you want to call it. There is a on and off ramp. I believe it's 470 on and off ramp. Now this is the area south of McNeil Drive. This is that Edenfield area, the Oak Hollow area. We're kind of looking west here toward Marsh Bend Trail, and you can see all the water in here. Tons of water. And the golf courses pretty much surround the water here. There's a couple bridges, and they are building the WellPoint Rec Center up here, right on the other side of that road there. It is the Rec Center, Mail Center for WellPoint is south of McNeil Drive, because WellPoint does come south of McNeil Drive a little bit. They haven't started any construction there other than the walls. Obviously the infrastructure, the roads are there, but not the walls, or I mean not the foundations or houses yet. So that will be underway soon, I'm sure. You can see this is the area where that golf course is going to be, that Oak Hollow golf course, and this is actually the village of Edenfield that we're flying over right now. Edenfield runs along Bexley Trail and McNeil Drive, and this is looking south. If you look in the distance there, you can see Middleton right in the middle of your screen. Middleton, Shadybrook, Moultrie Creek, all in that area. And then as we pan over, you can see this road leads right into downtown Eastport. That's where they're going to have those 4 softball fields, pickleball, tennis, the Central Lake. There's an entertainment area coming down there on the island. It's a pretty cool place. There's supposed to be a hotel getting built in there. They said all that stuff will be done in 2025. And then this is looking over the turnpike into St. Catherine, Case and Hammock, Citrus Grove, and all of those areas from the south to the north, panning to the east. I really appreciate you guys watching the video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It really helps me out. Like the video as always. I really appreciate each and every one of you, and the comments, keep them coming. And I will see you in the next one.